Xzellent has been a specialist in short and especially powerful training courses with impact and aimed at truly lasting behavioral change since 1999. Understanding yourself is the basis, followed by understanding your client, your employer, or your manager. Both insights help you work together effectively and with pleasure. We make use of the Insights Discovery model. In the training, you receive your own personal profile in which you recognize yourself to the maximum. That is inspiring, surprising, and above all, fun. We offer training in the areas of personal effectiveness, leadership, sales, presentation techniques, problem analysis, communication, and team development. Participants learn and practice new behavior in small groups so that a setting is created in which each participant feels comfortable. For teams, sub-teams, or even an entire organization, Xzellent provides interactive meetings such as training sessions, lectures, meetings, presentations, and other events that leaders wish to be hosted, facilitated, or accompanied by a professional trainer or speaker. In short, for an effective training with immediate results, for both individuals and groups, Xzellent is the place to be.